Hello everyone, I'm Mike Settles and this is What's Up. In April, Ishpeming marked its 150th anniversary as a city. But the celebration didn't end in April, it continues with a number of special events planned for the last week in June. In fact, they are calling it a week to remember. Here to tell us more about it is Kasper with the Ishpeming Area Historical Society. Karen, welcome. Boy, again, with the focus on the city's history, you've got a number of great events planned, starting with a historic homes tour and a focus on the Mather Inn.
Yes, on the 25th of June, which is a Sunday, it will start at 12 o'clock and end at 4. There are only 2 spots on this year's tour. Bethel Lutheran Church will be featured as the refreshment site and also talking about their history. And then people will get to tour the Mather, which is what it's now known as. And they will get to see some of the special places that normally they wouldn't see, such as tunnels for servers and that type of stuff. And they will get a lot of history.
Well, a big year in the city's history was 1959 when Anatomy of a Murder was filmed in the city. And you've got an event coming up on that too.
Yes, on June 29th at 6:30 at the Ishpeming High School's W.C. Peterson Auditorium, we will have a large screen showing of Anatomy of a Murder. And the 29th is an anniversary of when the movie was first shown, and it is also John Volker's birthday.
Very cool. Well, speaking of cool, the 30th, you've got a unique event planned, the cemetery tour.
Yes, I've been doing cemetery tours since 2018, and each year we focus on a different section of the cemetery and go around, and I will tell stories about some of the people who are buried there.
Well, those are just a few of the events. For more information about Ishpeming's Week to Remember and the events planned from June 25th through July 1st, go online to the Ishpeming Area Historical Society's webpage at ishpeminghistory.org. Again, ishpeminghistory.org. You can, of course, also visit the Society's Facebook page. Karen, Kasper, thank you for joining us today. Good luck with the events. I'm Mike Settles, and that's What's Up.